Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Hindi rin pala talaga biro magtanim, Bong, ano? Pero alam mo, I find it very rewarding, lalo na kapag nakita mo na namunga na yung tinanim mo, ready to harvest na. You really get to eat what you grew yourself. Very exciting. Ito nga yung tinatawag nila na farm to table.
Uy, Claire, usong-uso ngayon yan, ha?
Yes.
Alam mo, when you grow your own food, unang-una, it's healthier. Isa pa, walang pesticides. You made use of organic fertilizers. It's raw and it's 100% fresh. Katulad ng mga harvest natin ngayon, look.
Alam nyo, ang isa pong magandang naidulot ng pandemic ay nag-flourish ang backyard farming.
That's true.
Because of the series of lockdowns we had, families are forced to stay at home, giving them enough time to grow their own vegetables. We felt the need for food security. We realized that the best way to combat this virus is by strengthening our immune system and by eating fresh and healthy food like this. Kaya naman po, click na click ngayon talaga ang gardening and farming. In fact, marami kami kaibigan ni Bong ang bumili ng maliit na property sa countryside para mag-farm living.
Alam mo, Claire, tamang-tama. Dahil this month of July, we are observing nutrition awareness. Alam mo, Claire, ako, di ba, it is my passion to cook. I love to cook and I want my herbs to be always around the kitchen, di ba? Kung kailangan ko ng basil, dill o kailangan ko ng rosemary, gusto ko nandyan agad sa tabi ko, di ba? Sabi mo nga kanina, farm to fork, di ba? And since our interest in growing at home had been reawakened, nabuhay siya, honey, di ba, sa maraming pamilya ngayon. So today, pag-usapan natin ang interest o ang pag-grow ng sarili mong vegetables sa ganitong panahon.
Alam niyo po, hindi kailangan ng ekta-ektaryang lupain to do this.
That's true.
With a little land in your backyard, a limited space at home, you can already grow herbs and vegetables. In fact, we have this so-called container vegetable gardening wherein you can grow in pots selected greens like lettuce,
Sa mga pasu-pasu lang,
kale,
no?
spinach, okra, talong,
Kamatis.
basil, favorite natin, rosemary, tarragon, di ba? Kaya madali lang po talaga siyang gawin. Para sa akin, ang unang benefit of growing your own vegetable garden, it's really good for your mental and emotional health.
Yeah.
Isa po itong mabisang paraan para labanan ang boredom, ang stress, ang mental anxiety, and even depression kasi nakakalibang, nakakaubos oras, very relaxing, and very recreational. Parang napaka-therapeutic para sa akin ng pagtatanim.
So true, honey. Ano mo, another benefits of farming is that it could be a way for parents to encourage their kids to eat vegetables. I'm
Yes.
sure maraming mga parents like us ang makaka-relate dito sa sinasabi ko ngayon. Kasi alam mo, honey, di ba, malimit sa mga bata, ayaw kumain ng gulay, di ba? Isa yan sa mga iniisip ng mga magulang. And since children, they all love to play in the soil,
Yes.
so let them participate. I-involve mo sila sa pagtatanim mo sa vegetable garden mo. That way, learning will be enhanced and their appreciation to eating healthy foods.
Alam mo, gusto ko yan, ano? Kung may mga anak po kayong maliliit at nahihirapan kayong pakainin ng gulay,
Get
ay
them
nako,
involved.
isama nyo sa pagtatanim. Hayaan yung madumihan sila, maglupa sila dyan. That way, they can appreciate vegetables. Tulad ng asawa ko na kinakain na yung arugula ngayon.
I love arugula.
Okay, another benefit of growing your own vegetable garden is it gives you food security and sustainability. You can make your own food from it. In fact, honey, nowadays, ang hirap ang lumabas, di ba? Natatakot pa yung iba. It's hard to get fresh vegetables and fruits from the store. Kaya naman po, we suggest that you plant something that you're actually going to enjoy at makakatipid pa kayo ng ulam.
And that's true, honey. Of course, there's nothing like eating fresh vegetables. Alam mo, during this time of pandemic, we need to boost our immune system.
Totoo.
Palakasin natin ang ating katawan by eating nutritious and organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Kaya naman, we encourage everyone to go back to farming.
God is faithful. In the middle of any difficulty, He will always provide a way for us to thrive. Farming teaches us how beautiful nature is. You start from a small seed, then it turns into the actual food on your dinner table.
Farming is life. Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay
Na
manalangin.
pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong
At
Pineda.
ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.